our propane and natural gas double-deck pizza oven. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have 32¼ inches. Depth of 26½ inches. Depth of the handle, we have at least 5 inches. And the overall height, we got 28½ inches. Going inside the chamber are 2 racks. The dimensions of the rack, we're looking at least 20½ inches in depth by 27 inches in length. And again, included are 2 trays for baking your pizzas. And the overall height is at least 15 inches. Coming down here is your temperature control that will cook your pizzas in the chamber. Coming here on the side is your ETL certification and your information for BTU for this pizza oven. A propane conversion kit will also be included with this pizza oven along with your regulator. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.